So here we are I'm going to show you really quickly how to use the symbol salad link. And you can see that it's embedded right here in the Google form. And it looks like this. It gives you a keyboard that allows you to do some symbols that you can't do on a regular keyboard. So we are going to be interested in everything that is in this area here that says superscript. That is how you get little numbers that are in the air, which is what we're going to use for exponents, of course. So going to problem number 1, which we're going to work together so you can see. So our exponent rule goes that as long as the base is the same, the shortcut is for the answer, the base is going to stay the same. So I'm going to use an R, and it did tell me to make sure I use a lowercase r in order for the formatting to work. And because I have 9 R's and I'm multiplying it with another 5 R's, I should note that you might have a question about why there's not like a multiplication dot in between the R's. Remember that when things are just sitting next to each other, that is also a way to say multiplication. So just because there's no dot doesn't mean that it's not multiplication. So anyway, so I'm multiplying R to the 9th and R to the 5th. So 9 R's and then 5 R's means I'm going to have R to the 14th because the shortcut is that you add the exponents together. So I need to get exponents that make a 14. So I'm going to go back to the symbol salad. Under superscript, I'm going to type the 1. And all you have to do is click it, and that automatically copies it. And then back at the form, I'm going to hit, depending on what device you have, it's either going to be Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac. And you'll just paste that 1 right there. And then go back to symbol salad, click on the 4, and that will copy the 4. And we'll paste it by hitting Control or Command V, whichever, right there. And as you can see, my little error message that said I was doing it wrong is now correct.